So this is awesome if you have high ceilings to change a light bulb, to remove the light bulb and replace it. So I'll show you how this works, but it's 12 feet and then you could adjust it at these little knobs right here to make it shorter, and it gets as short as 3 feet. It has these foam handles which are really comfortable and they give you grip. So let's go ahead and use this. So this is how it works. You just push it into the light bulb, and when you push it, you see that it clamps in. So you go ahead and turn it and take off the light bulb. And once you take it off, it sits here and it just comes out right nice and easy. It has these little soft rubber grips to screw it in and out, and so it doesn't get damaged or break. So let's screw it back in. I'm gonna just put it back in place, screw it in, and it stays in place. You can also change the tip, the connector. So this one, you just screw it in, and it has this also to go ahead and tighten it. So you just turn it to tighten it in place. So this thing's really nice to have around the house. It's really helpful.